Here we are showing a 7-axis robot performing a machining operation on a part that's being tracked as part of a prototype hip replacement system. Here we are showing a coordinated multi-arm bone positioning system, which coordinates the motion of each arm to set the bone fraction. This video shows how the Actin control system can be configured with remote centers of motion. Here we are showing a teleoperated prototype surgical system, which has many arms, many degrees of freedom, each with a remote center of motion. This section shows the CAD to simulation model conversion process. This involves selecting link geometry, coordinate systems on each link, axis geometry, joint ranges, and shape fitting selections. Here we are showing an interactive simulation of the model we just converted, showing different end effector constraint configurations. Please contact us to learn how Actin can help with your medical robotics project.